Uncle, have you seen it? Have you seen what I was telling you, that this girl is mad?
What's wrong with her? Please follow her and find out what the problem is.
Obioma. Hey, take care of this drink. Obioma.
My in-laws. Please sit down. Calm down. Calm down. Please, sit down. Please sit down.
I am not bringing the bride price home. I'm not refunding it because of tomorrow. I have collected the money because of tomorrow.
Obioma, say something now. What is the problem?
Eguna, calm down. That one is not a problem.
That is a problem. It is a problem, uncle. Because tomorrow now they will say someone should refund.
Obioma, please say something so that we know what we do. Please.
Obioma,
you don't want to talk. I will not return that money tomorrow. I know you.
This is the problem.
Obioma, come back.
She's not talking to anybody here.
Tomorrow, if someone says bring money, I will not. I will not.
What is this?
You are asking me what is this? You should know. You know what is the problem.
What is the problem? What do I know?
You are asking me.
No, what do I know?
Do not pretend. You know what is the problem.
You couldn't mind Bikodu.
Don't want to tell her. If we go, you take good Vaseline. Also, you know that
Mama, it was a horrible experience.
Hey!
We were approaching Bini when armed robbers opened fire on us. Our driver died at the spot.
Jesus!
Mama, those people are so good.
How?
Mama, they robbed everybody in that house.
Hey!
They collected my phone, made away with the little cash I had. But when the robbery was going on, Mama, at some point I was like, no, Ikem, you cannot end this way.
At all, you cannot die like that.
Mama, I fell down, rolled through that bus, fell into the nearest gutter, jumped up and ran into the bush.
Telling you, Mama.
They opened fire, they were shooting like this.
Hey!
How I survived, only God knows.
Hey,
To crown it all, Mama, I was in that bush. Do you know that bus went up in flames? I thought I wouldn't believe it.
Hey!
They are heartless, Mama.
God. Truly, you show mercy to whoever you want to show mercy. Yes, thank you.
I came out of the bush after some hours. How I got to Lagos, I don't even know. Total miracle.
God.
Total miracle.
Hey.
God just saved my life.
But is this for real? For sparing my son's life.
How is Obioma, my love?
Ikem, I don't know how to say this. I was actually going to Obioma's house. Today is a traditional marriage.
I'll say Obioma is getting married.
Yes, brother.
Today is her tradition.
Nah, cause Papa, get me a Jesse. And nah.
Ikem.
What have you done?
Mama.
You shouldn't have told him.
Mama, don't blame me. Is it not better I told him?
Somebody that just came back after all these years, what do you think he is going there to do?
Mama, he will do nothing. Considering the fact that Obioma has been waiting for Ikem to come back and rejected many suitors, please.
I just do not like it at all. Knowing him, he might go there and start causing trouble.
Mama, happy Ikem, when you gave me, he will be fine. He will be fine.
What else can you tell me? What else will you say? What do you know?
Cham knows so. Mama, I want Ikem, my brother, to marry Obioma. Obioma is a nice girl.
Mama, I can't find Obioma in the room. Obioma is not in her room. Did you see her? Eh?
She's supposed to be in her room now.
Obioma is not in her room, Mama. Hey! Simo, Uncle.
What is the problem?
Obioma is the problem. We can't find Obioma.
Some of her guests said they saw her going out of the village. Probably she must have run away.
Obioma ran away. No.
I want to go.
Bam, 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 bam. Do you know how much
To where
Obioma
now?
has given to me?
Ma,
You know how much?
Guys, let's go and look for her. Let's go, let's go.
Uncle, let's go. She ran away. If I catch Obioma, I will run it to her. She will know.
Obioma, why? Why now? What have I done to you? Is it a crime to get married? Ah!
My own sister. On the day of your trial, you ran away. Huh? What is this? I don't understand it. I don't understand it one bit. But however it is,
But where's Obioma doing all this?
Do I know? Uncle, do I know? Do I know? Eh?
So what are we going to do now? Because our in-laws are waiting.
Uncle, we have to go now. Eh? As Kenya concerned, you know what to tell our in-laws and you know how to put it. Tell them to go. That everything will be fine. That we shall send words to them. Because Uncle, Obioma, Onya Jukwana Mesa, Makanga, Bam Bam
Calm
Bam.
down, my son. Calm down. Let's go.
Come back and meet me. Whenever you have gone.
Hi. It's almost evening and Ikem is not yet back. Hey, look at what you have caused now.
Sister, where is Ikem?
He's not yet back.
Why?
My sister, I don't know.
Oh, sister, you shouldn't have allowed him to go now. Now, no one knows when he's coming back.
No, it's not me you will blame. Blame Obioma. Obioma is the cause.
Huh.
Eh? Obioma! Obioma! Obioma!
Ma. Auntie, you're welcome. Mama, you called.
Have you seen what you caused?
Mama, what did I do now?
Now nobody knows what is going on. You have to go there and find out what is going on there.
Mama. Sister, I am going with her. Nne, ngwa kaiga. Biko. I don't know. Kaiga.
Ogaduru.
See me.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you, my wife, my wife?
I'm fine, though. I'm fine.
Hey. I can see it's written all over you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. It's God.
I can
it's
see.
God. But Ogaduru, where have you been for the past 1 year?
I traveled.
Oh, yeah.
I just came back 3 days ago here.
Hey. Yeah. You look good, though. Oh, Maka. Okay,
thank God.
I hope you bought something for me.
Of course.
Of course. Okay, let me go call your friend for you.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
No. So,
the man polo.
See my man.
The man polo. It's been a while. How you doing? Thank God.
The man do. My own man.
Here we are. How is business?
I know Tiggy, and business is not been okay. It's not been good for the past 5 months now. Everything has come bad. I've even sold my shop in the market. It's a long story. It's a long story. As I'm talking to you now, your man now feeds from hand to mouth.
No. Are you telling me the truth?
In fact, it's a long story. Like, let's go inside. Like, I want no more country. Let's go inside.
Follow.
Down there.
I'm saying it, though, and I'll keep saying it. I will not return that bride price. I will not return it. What do you even know why?
So, bride price is now more valuable than the life of your sister.
If Obioma is here now, we will be fighting like cat and dog, like rat and cat. Eh? So let's now we're going na okwoka bukwa boso ụtụtụ adị amụkwa ama ọ nechakwara obusi nwa me wopte kwa mmemme obe anyway
ebu ni fera dey
I'm going to stand for thank God uncle good morning you're welcome
Mama Obioma.
Hi, welcome.
I saw Obioma come back.
Nebe, we have not seen her. She's not here yet.
Are you serious?
Do you remember that boy I told you that has been making Obioma reject suitors?
Yes.
You remember?
The one you said died 3 years ago.
Wagam. Uncle, there are people who came here yesterday, the moment you left. He was coming here. Whether he was here and
A dead man?
Oh, the same thing I said. Except that is the same thing we are here arguing with Mama, and she's telling me, Uncle, let me announce it. I shall not return the bride price. Because those people are criminal. They should be held responsible for Obioma's disappearance. Hey, Obioma. Hey, Ikem Ojudo. Hey, Ojudo na tukumala uko Ikem. Jesus.
Obioma.
You said you thought I'm dead. Tottenham. Wahala for who no confuse people.
Welcome, my son.
Thank you, sir.
What are you for? Look at what I'm saying to you. Now, very early in the morning tomorrow. Yes, I will get a survey and survey this land, both the building and the empty plots. I will sell them once to raise bulk money. That is if it comes up with good price, because the highest bidder becomes the best buy. No signal cow, because I've told others. I'll put beacon everywhere. Even it. Okay, wait, I'll call you. Maduka, how do you manage to know that I'm here?
Ugolo, I'm coming straight from your house. And I was told you went to your late brother's house. That's why I'm here.
This one you are desperately looking for me. I hope all is well.
Ugolo, are you claiming ignorance? You mean you have not heard?
Heard what?
Ikem is alive. And he's back. You are laughing.
Maduka, you're a big joker. Maduka, I look at you the second time. Your veracity is in doubt. And it's written all over you. Ikem is alive. I'm back. How possible? You saw a dead man. Did you see his ghost? You saw a ghost. If you don't have anything better to tell me, just better go.
Ugolo, why are you always doubting? This is not a joke. I saw Ikem with my 2 eyes. They said he was even the young man that was engaged to the woman my son wanted to marry.
Maduka, you have simply succeeded in distracting me from what I was calculating before you came in. How can you say you saw a dead man? You know what it means to see a ghost? I think actually need some psychiatric treatment. I will believe one thing, that the trauma of that your son's traditional marriage disappointment is still haunting you.
Ugolo, I will not take this insult from you. I said I will not take this insult from you. I can see that you are among those people that have been mocking me. Don't worry. Soon you will see Ikem with your eyes. Since you are doubting me, don't worry. Let me take my leave.
Okay, but come first, come, Maduka. How possible that he saw Ikem back and alive? Not possible. How can it be possible? Wait, I will tell you a second time that your veracity is in doubt, Maduka. Nonsense, don't come here again.
My love, it's not easy to make it in Lagos. Hey. I went through different kind of challenges. Yes, I slept under the bridge for 4 months. 4 good months. I pushed barrow. I did car wash business. As a matter of fact, I was under that bridge for 4 months until I got a bacha. Now, 1,000 naira per month. But it was better than under the bridge because I had where to lay my head. Bacha, you know that normal plank bacha now?
Yes, I know.
From under bridge to bacha.
It's better, Sha.
Yeah, it's better now. But look at what happened. I was going to, what's it called? I was doing car wash business. It's not like I own the car wash business. So
okay.
They pay us according to how many cars we wash a day.
Yes.
Then I bumped into my old friend. He schooled in this village now. We went to the same primary school.
Are you serious?
My sister. If you see my friend, he was now fresh and big. I was like, what happened? He was even shocked to see me. He now told me that he will help me. I was like, that he based in Malaysia. He said, He said I should relax, that he will come back for me.
Yes.
I thought it was one of those fake promises. Malaysia. The whole story changed.
Wow.
But the experience was horrible. That under bridge, I will never forget that.
I know. I've heard about that Lagos life thing.
Yeah. It wasn't easy for me. But here we are.
Yes, good to have you. I've missed you. Come on. I was just thinking about you. Like, I don't know. I missed you so much.
You don't even know what to say, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Why the sudden change on your face?
Kim, even I have refused to return the bride price.
Don't worry, I'll handle all that.
You will?
Yes. I'm talking about the bride price,
Yes,
right?
yes.
I will handle all that. Come here, I'm happy to see you.
Me too. I love you too. I love you too.
I am panier.
I panier together.
The way you sounded over the phone kept me wondering if something was wrong. I don't know if you're still angry because I did not attend your bride price and marriage introduction. I remember I told you that I'll be traveling out of town.
It isn't my friend. I'm not angry. Why should I? It's not as if name Oma. It was for something, eh? No problem. No problem. It's no problem. You see, I wanted to discuss this with you over the phone. But I changed my mind when you told me you were back from the city.
Did anything go wrong?
You see, should you remember this boy, Ebuna?
Ebuna.
Yeah.
Ebuna. Yes, sure.
Ebuna returned the bride price I paid on his sister. Guess what he told me?
What?
That the man she's been waiting for since, that is finally back.
This is ridiculous.
I'm telling you.
Wait a minute. Did you collect it from him?
What will I do?
Oh, no.
I collected it.
Oh, no.
But that's not why I'm here, okay? That's not why I'm here.
Okay.
I've made investigation. And I've found out who that young man is.
Oh. So, who is he?
I said his name is Chibi Ikem, but they call him Ikem. Young, very young rich man. He has started buying all the land in our everywhere. In our village, he has bought almost everywhere, every land.
Is he from your village?
Yes, he is. He's from my village. Nkiru's son. The one you told me you are his father.
Yes.
Yeah, he's the one. Oh, yeah, one.
Wait a minute. But you told me he was dead.
I thought same way. But I later discovered it was a misinformation. That young man is still alive, healthy, very rich. Echezona, this is an opportunity for you to go and reconcile with that guy. Try and see him and talk to him. Try and see him. He's alive, he didn't die.
Misinformation.
Ifoma, the guy doesn't play with me at all. He pampers me like an egg and wears me like his shirt. Yes.
So who is this guy in this our village that is that caring and me, Ifoma, doesn't know who he is?
Don't worry, you will see him one day. In fact, very soon. Yes. And guess the latest. Guess! He has proposed to me! He has proposed!
Wait.
Oh, I forgot my ring at home. I would have shown you my ring. I would have shown you my ring. Be happy?
This is getting interesting.
Yes.
You mean he has already proposed to you?
Yes, Ify. And very soon we are going to be fixing our traditional marriage. And you know what comes next now? Like this. And someone will be calling me mommy, mommy.
Yeah.
Yes, my friend.
Very nice.
Thank you, my sister.
At least that's what we all pray for, you know. I am happy for you.
Thank you.
Very happy.
Thank you. Hey, my sister, let me quickly go to the house so he doesn't come and start looking for me.
You really need to go.
Thank you. I love you. Call me wifey.
I love you too, wifey.
Wifey, call me wifey.
Ozuba.
Yes.
Are you serious?
My friend.
Hey, big
call me wifey.
Hey, wifey.
Yes, my friend.
Rubbish. Nonsense. It's just proposed to me. I'm soon getting married. What nonsense? Are you more pretty than I? Just look at me. Ifoma, Omali Changwa. You're getting married. Okay, now no problem. Let's watch and see.
Hey, what is wrong with this chief's number? We agreed for 10 o'clock and now it's almost 11. Eh? Or is he no longer interested in buying this property? He would have come to tell me the truth.
Ugolo, so it's true that you're encroaching on my property?
Who are you talking to like that? Eh? Can't you say good morning, sir? Would you tell me, Chief, good morning, sir?
Answer my question. What are you doing on my inheritance?
You are supposed to come and say, good morning, sir. What I'm doing in your land. This place is not your land, for information, young man. This place belongs to my late brother and automatically it's my property, my inheritance, because he had no male child as at the time of his death.
Nai, why are you saying that to him? Don't you know him?
Don't I know who Chibikem? I know him very well now. Is he not the illegitimate son of Kiru?
Excuse me. Watch your tongue, old man, else you suffer for it.
Shut up before I slap you.
I hate repeating myself. Oga, what are you doing on my inheritance?
Young man, do you want me to repeat that you are not the legitimate son of my late brother? You are a stranger.
No, because what are you even saying? Eh? Kene Kudu? Nkiru is Nduka's daughter. Chibikem is Nkiru's son. Therefore, he is the legitimate owner of this land.
Agnes, our kinsmen have already resolved this issue. They are behind me to go and possess my inheritance. And this place is my inheritance.
That was when they thought Chibikem was truly dead. He is back to claim what is truly his.
Ha, Nkiruka, huh? Be careful.
I am not here to exchange words with you. You are encroaching. You are on my inheritance. Leave to avoid casualty.
You are the one to leave. And let me have my possessions. One more word from you, young man. I will teach you a lesson you'll not forget.
Nine.
Why is he talking to me like this? You boy up.
Okay.
I'm not going tonight.
Ask this to let them tell you who you really are.
Ikem.
What am I?
No.
What is it now? Eh? Why did you stop me?
What is the problem? Okay, MSC. What is the problem? Why is your blood very hot? Eh?
See, let me tell you, Buna. If you don't have anything reasonable to tell me, just let me be.
Good. What is the problem? Well, tell me. I'm ready to hear.
Okay. I want to ask you something. What is your plan towards me? What is your plan? Eh? Is it just to climb me and come down? Is that all you want?
Why they talk like this? Huh? Why are you sounding this way? Huh? You know, they sweet me this. And we enjoy them. We enjoy it.
Enjoy what? Listen, let me tell you. Iberi, my friend, has been engaged. She was engaged a few days ago. Look at me. No engagement ring, no nothing.
Sorry. If it is engagement, I will do it. No problem.
You will do it?
Yes.
When? Do it now. Now.
You want me to do it now?
Yes, now.
But I don't have anything to engage you with, or by honor.
Just do the engagement first. Do it now. So maybe tomorrow you get the engagement ring.
I believe engagement. How they okay? Uncle, hi, Fimo. Will you marry me?
Well, I'll think about it.
You'll think about it how?
And that's the way they do it now.
No.
I'll think about it. Maybe tomorrow when you get the engagement ring, I'll now give you my answer.
You engagement in Facebook. Oh, you say, will you marry me? The person will say yes. You want me to just say, will you marry me? And you say you will think about it. So what was the need of me kneeling down?
That's the way they do it, though. That's the way they do it.
Well, I take my engagement back. When I bring the ring, I will say, will you marry me? If you say yes, I put it in your hand. Why? Because
next time, if you stop me, I'll use this cutlass and finish your nonsense.
Engagement. You've made me now kneel down. Not even my father or my mother can make me kneel down. But I did it. It's one care. But you've been at Tinker's corner. Now, you should be thankful that I want to engage you. Only you are the chop. Oh, I'm lampo now. Nah, guy, I talk with himself. I know they do. I don't do. I don't want self.
Adio go. Kumki ama na funo kuke. Oh. Why is it that my daughter likes to lock herself inside whenever I go out? Huh? Anyantama. Something is happening inside this house.
How do you know it was your father?
He's the one. You just not to jump.
No, I am very sure he's the one.
You are just afraid, you see.
Don't put me into trouble.
You have collected money and you don't want me to finish what I've started. Eh?
What is started in my house?
Hey, Uchimon, 9.
Huh?
9. No, I know Bible.
Ifeoma?
Block rosary.
What are you and this fool doing in my house?
I know about block rosary.
Block again?
Not more. Papa, it's not what you think.
Michigan, shut up your man. He is sweating like this and you are telling me it is not what I think. Huh?
Another. Nine. In my house. Where is that fooling girl that call herself my daughter Ifeoma? You come and tell me why this one person see job so that they want to finish in my house. Ifeoma! Ifeoma!
Is he from your village?
Yes, he is. He's from my village. Nkiru's son. The one you told me you are his father.
Oh, you told me he was dead.
I thought same way. But I later discovered it was a misinformation. That young man is still alive, healthy, very rich.
My own son, the blood of my blood. I wish Onyebuchi would succeed in getting his contacts for me. I need to speak with him. And I know he will be glad to know his biological father. Yes. I will speak with him.
Good evening.
Welcome. Biko, exercise a little patience. He will soon come.
It's all right now.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. Ikem. I'm all right. I know you will not remember me again. My name is Onyebuchi. I am from your mother's place, Ajali. My father is Maduka.
Oh, you're from my maternal home, Ajali.
Yes.
Forgive me, I don't know much people there because I grew up here.
Yeah.
Namochi.
Wadiani.
Welcome.
Wadiani.
You're welcome.
We've met before, but that was a long time ago. Very long.
I can't remember.
Oh. I heard you're back. So I decided to come, considering the rumor making the rounds 3 years ago that you died. Thank God you're alive. Thank God.
Yes, I'm alive. I know. I'm alive. What will I offer you now? We have red wine, champagne, brandy. What will I get?
No, don't bother yourself. If I come again, we can drink.
Are you serious? Come on. You came from my maternal home. You are my noche. So, courtesy demands, I offer you something.
I know, but I don't want to take anything now. I don't really want to be on my way.
Serious? Alright, let me drop you then.
Okay.
Come on, let me get my khakis.
It's okay. It's alright.
Namoche.
He came. Wow. He got Ikem. Huh? Wow. The first mission accomplished. Yes.
Baby moo. Eh?
Don't touch me.
I love. Coupon now. Why? Why are you still angry? Why are you angry now?
You're asking me? You're asking me? Where's the money you promised to give me?
That is why your face is like this. Because of money. Eh? Okay.
Baby, this young actually.
Oh my God!
Oko. I like how boy.
This is beautiful.
How do you go beautiful? Because you've seen money. Come, what do you girls see in money? Eh? Jesus. Sweet na chewing gum na la to my boy. Nobody able na.
Oh baby, you're so handsome.
I'm a boom car kembo one. When you ball union.
Oh baby, I love you. See, you are the most wonderful man I have ever seen in my life.
Lie, Mohammed.
No, baby.
Liar.
No.
Oh yeah, big. Thank you.
Hey! Duru, welcome.
Eguna.
Jesus Christ.
Eguna. Is this you?
Duru. Come on. Duru.
Mama.
You can never be fat in this life. Since I know you, your Oku is still like a
You have started again.
Oh my God.
My man.
What's going on? When did you come back?
Just yesterday here.
Hey.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Eguna ngokeke ina haziolo. I can see.
I can hang police everywhere. Eh? Meanwhile, this is my wife to be soon, very soon.
Oh, Mali Changwa. How are you?
She's beautiful. She's beautiful, Abby. Go. And my main form was. And my name was short. I know you. Duru. Meanwhile, I know that you are very busy. And very soon now, we jump out to city and you won't have time. So it's better very soon, very soon. I invite you. Okay?
I'm logging to see that day. At least there'll be enough drink for me.
Also, okay. Meanwhile, you come to my house this evening.
This
because
evening?
I have a gist. I have good news and testimony.
I can't wait to hear it.
You come, I'll come around. My man. I used to beat him up when we were in primary
Don't mind this man, don't mind him. You will never change.
See, let me tell you the story. Well, something happened someday. We were at Fuku Cashew. He blocked the cashew. I collected it and still beat him up.
Don't mind him.
You want to come out? No, you want to come out? You want to come out? Dude. These people, when we were in primary school. Yeah. You dare not to. If you block mango, you are blocking commission. There's one we call Sayo Ojobo. That one is an arm is very dirty.
Ugolo, have you seen why I call you a dog trained by a woman that goes about eating eggs? Attach some little respect to that name, Ugolo.
We only give honor to whom honor is due.
So honor is not due to me?
Yes, you lost your respect the moment you started misbehaving. After all my warning, you went ahead and continued with your activities on my property. How dare you? How dare you?
Let me tell you something. If you dare me, you will lose, because I'm sure I'll eat you up. I'll eat you raw. I will eat you without water. You don't know who you are talking to. I will teach you why I'm called Igolo. Even now you know it. Be careful.
You can't do more than a dead rat. What if you get mad?
I can do nothing. No problem. Let me see your hand. Is it because I ran away from you the other day? Ask me, okay, that was the reason I ran away. But for now, let me tell you, you are too small for me. If you tell me again, I will tell you why I'm called Igolo. Even Adananti, Abrifon Atonoto, Bitakola. Look at this little boy.
What if you get mad?
Huh?
And that's why they're not born. If I see you anywhere close to that property again, I will make sure you spend 5 days in police cell. After that, I will bail you out, beat you like a pauper, and start attacking you spiritually and physically.
Then let me ask you. You said you will lock me up. In case this one I feel then. You said you will lock me up.
It's a promise.
Ikem, this is the height of it all. You are gradually approaching the end of the road. Be very careful. Listen to me. If you dare me, you will regret it. Honestly.
I will dare you and nothing will happen because my property is my property. I don't understand why an old miserable fool like you will be dragging something that is not yours. I have removed all the beacons you put there. I am starting work on that property anytime soon. For your own good, stay clear to avoid casualty.
Now listen to me, Ikem. Don't rest over the spirit. A child that chooses to dance surrogate must through tears and sorrows learn that surrogate is a dance meant only for the spirits.
I will shut up and today.
Yes.
You are not a spirit, you are just an ordinary man. Do you think I'm one of those people you will deceive with such words? I know what you do. You go about talking fear into people. Spirit this, spirit that. Answers, nah, you are ordinary man, Cable.
Ikem, Naya, ma piaye chaka.
Okay.
Yanti, ma piaye chaka. Tiye na bakum. Kaineme. Ọkwatie yi na epaku.
Okay.
Na ya ngwongwo na ngwongwo ya jugbo ya. Ibo ni brigo na yenu ngwongwo na ngwongwo ya jugbo ya idiot. I am sorry for you. Bari Cherimu, don't worry. I am waiting for you. Ikem. Oh! Don't worry. Just go ahead and do your best. I'm coming behind you. No problem.
Ebuna, Mokike. Ebuna, my friend. You said you have good news for me.
Of course. Bros also, it is not just good news, but testimony. I give it everywhere I go.
Oh, yes.
My brother, do you still remember that boy you asked me about? Do you still remember him? The boy I told you that is dating my sister now.
Yes.
Hey!
What is that his name again?
Ikem.
Yes, Ikem. Yes, I remember him. But you told me he was dead?
Mba. It was rumored that he was dead. But, my brother, as I am talking to you, I do not know where this Alaba. Ebo Subuti came to Pentecost to Ghana this town. As I'm talking to you, he's in this town. Buying all the lands. All the lands. If it's their mansion, we're gonna run where they can sue Piante.
Tell me something.
As I'm talking to you, that's the way it is.
Are you serious?
Raw. The guy beat up by Miss Moe, Mojumi Mateko, Jumi Malay, any other Boka draw. Look at the constitution where this young
wonders shall never end.
Hey! Jesus Christ. Boo! That is my testimony and good news. Eh?
How has it been?
We thank God.
We thank
God. You are not looking bad either.
Baby loves me.
Abroad girls.
Okay, they call it Twanka. Hey. But baby, do you know if you can be doing this in an ROC unique pop?
You like it?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
What is the meaning of this?
The meaning of what?
Ebe! What are you doing with my Ebuna?
Is that a joke? Who is your Ebuna?
I am talking and you are still holding him like that.
Ifama, are you mad or you're trying to run mad? No, you must be mad. You must be mad. Avoid me, oh. Be careful with me. Ebuna, why are you not saying anything?
Because...
Why are you not saying anything? Please tell her to excuse us. We need some privacy.
She said she needs some privacy. Hallelujah. You just go.
What kind of privacy? Don't even go there. Don't even go there. Oh, Ebuna, so you've been sleeping with this one?
What is she even talking about? Ebuna, you sleeping with her? I can't believe
this. Wait. It's not your... meanwhile, we can settle this thing amicably. Listen, go. Madon, for you. I'll come and see you.
For what? You say what? You're going to do what? Ifama, for your information, Ebuna is mine, and here is a ring he gave me.
What?
Yes.
Is he the guy you've been telling me about?
Oh, yes.
It's a lie! Ebuna, you're very wicked! Ebuna, you are heartless! God, I can't believe this. And as for you, Ebuna is mine. He also engaged me.
Yes, Ifama, he did that. You are the most...
I said shut up! Will you shut up your mouth? I am still talking. Shut up! Go!
No.
Go, let's go!
Leave me.
Come, let's go! Go here! I said leave him alone.
Echizona, there is nothing to be afraid of. Okay. The young man in question is a very nice guy. Wow. Yeah, I've met with him 3 times.
Okay.
The other day he took me to the place he's building his house. Magnificent building.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did you look at his face very well? His eyeball, his ear, his hair, skin color. Does he look like me?
No, not exactly, but it doesn't count. It doesn't count. You see, a child will either look like the father or the mother.
Yeah, you have a point there. You have a point there. Were you able to get his contact as promised?
Yes, I did. Got the contact. But you see, this is not a matter you discuss on phone. Like they said, a desperate situation demands a desperate measure. Yeah, but even got on the phone, you need to see him one-on-one and you talk with him. You get that?
Oh. In that case, how do I meet with him?
Meeting with him. Okay, I would arrange for a meeting.
Okay.
You just give me some time, then I will communicate with you.
Onyebuchi, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
What are friends for?
Thank you.
You're begging a phone.
All right, bro. I appreciate it.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah.
Duru.
Yes, Paul.
Are you sure of what you just told me?
I'm very sure, Paul. Ebuna would not have lied to me.
Can you take me to this Ebuna that told you all this?
No, Paul. There won't be need for that. I don't want him to get suspicious of anything, so he can be given information about Ikem.
So, what do I do now?
Just calm down, Paul. I've met with him and I've asked for his number. And he's agreed to do that. So, I suggest you call him first on the phone. Thereafter, we plan on how to meet him.
And are you sure it's going to work?
Perfectly, Paul. It's going to work. Ikem will be glad to have found you. You are the father. Don't miss this opportunity, Paul. Remember, this young man, Ikem, is so rich. Think about it, Paul. Think about it.
Who are you singing that song for? Eh?
Hey!
Who?
See trouble. Ifeoma, did I mention your name in my song?
But you started singing the moment you saw me coming. Eh? You think I don't know your plan? Eh?
See who is talking. Please get away, you boyfriend snatcher. Look at this one. Are you mad?
Ebere, you have failed. Inugo,
I have failed.
You have failed. Yes.
I will show you that Ebere never fails. Egbuna is mine. Watch and see how that will happen. Fool. Fool.
Wait. Oh. You think he will marry you after sleeping with you? Eh? Oh my God.
Ifeoma, I said watch and see how that will happen. You have lost him. Go and get you a man for yourself. You have lost Egbuna. Really? Okay? Yes.
We shall see.
Look at these idiots.
We shall see.
You think this is your hunch shoulder? What is giving you mine in this village? Do you think I'm scared of you?
Don't you dare.
Oh Lord, do you think I am scared of you?
You know what I can do, right? You know I'm crazy.
What can you do?
I will beat you blue black.
Hey,
I will deal with you. I will tear you into pieces.
Flog people. I will flog you like a child.
Oh,
I will
really?
flog you here. I will flog you.
You know me very well.
Don't let my clothes deceive you. I'm not normal. I am not normal. Don't let
Any day you see me wrong.
Look at her.
Any day you see me,
Boy,
I just run.
Beggar. Look at your hunchback with your head like J5. Get out! Stupid idiot. Nonsense. Stupid thing. Look at your head like J5.
You have failed.
With your nose like mini skirt.
That is all you are.
You are shouting because of a man.
He will sleep with
you. Go and get a man for yourself. Go and get you a man.
You are a loser.
He is mine.
You are a loser.
Fool.
Shameless girl.
Whoa,
shame on you.
You idiot.
Hello.
With your head like
you can see that, right? Remember.
Now, wow. Why are people so wicked? I told Mama they should be careful about this. I pray they are safe. Oh.
Where is it?
Sister, look at the pot. Leia!
Where are the laborers?
I guess they've disappeared. I asked them not to go anywhere, that I'll be back with you.
They are afraid.
I will destroy this pot here and now.
Mama, Biko! Papa Biko, don't try it. Oh, I have to call a man of God to come and do it. Biko, God.
It's not necessary, Mama. We all know who kept this. Let me set it ablaze.
This man is very dangerous now. Eh? So... Let us listen to Sister. Sister Biko, take us to your pastor. Biko
You people are prolonging this thing. The pastor you want to call, Obu Anti-Ogu. Obu Isinabu. Obu everybody let me set it ablaze.
Papa, no. Don't underrate the power of this charm. Don't underrate it. Because let me call my pastor. Please, let him come and remove it. Oh, Biko.
You should stop
Papa
this.
Papa Biko. Let us go to the pastor. Biko.
Papa, let me.
How has he calling you?
I'll give you a go na second world war boutique and Pentecost because not yet to for you. My in-law. I cannot have a can be fresh and don't want to. It's your woman, not used on teacher and I cafe. And my friend.
Oh, yeah, well, I can go see about God. Let's not forget, thanks for the palm wine.
You like that?
I enjoyed it.
No, I am your guy. I just say I'm to all you the pass. But to all you, boy, what a net. Nah, come on. Come on, if I never on your book and get me pressure.
No, just make you call and know why the person is calling. Very important.
Hello?